Welcome back. Well, the financial services index has moved to the high point of the day, and as we speak, the Nifty as well making a dash towards 19,900 odd. It appears, that the financial services index is playing out expiry, and that's what's helping the Nifty as well move to the high point of the day. But it's that time of the day when we tell you what's going on D Street Chatter. Nimesh joins us to tell us what is he picking up. Well, Nimesh, as we speak, markets at the high point of the day. Is it flow-driven, or do you think it has an element of expiry out there?
Looks like, Nigel, there is an element of expiry as well, because the flows are pretty much mixed is what I understand. Of course, the markets are at day's high, but in fact, there's going to be a small market at close, sell flows as well in some select large cap names. So maybe some stocks will react to that. But as I said, it's pretty much mixed from the larger institutions. The bigger theme is the broader markets. Look at how the Adani Group stocks have reacted to the Friday's, Supreme Court observation. So big move on those stocks. And the bigger theme seems to be the PSUs. A lot of PSU stocks are buzzing again in today's trade. I spoke about the HSBC note on the OMC, so those are buzzing. But even apart from the energy stocks, a lot of the power PSUs are well bid is what I understand. So the PSU index is up another 1.5% at record highs. But again, the momentum seems to be largely with the broader markets and the PSUs. But to your point on whether it's expiry driven, looks like it's more of an expiry driven because the flows are mixed.
Hey, 19,900 here on the charts as we speak. Nimesh, what about individual stocks? What are you picking up?
Well, Nigel, as I said, there is a lot of momentum in the broader market. So a lot of my charter listed is part of that broader market. So the first name is Navkar Corp. That stock is buzzing in trade, huge volumes, and is up 12-13% in today's trade. I guess the street is now sensing some sort of a corporate development very soon. So that's keeping the stock excited. The second stock is Bharat Dynamics. Within the PSU basket, this is one stock where for the last couple of days, there is delivery-based buying happening. So is the case today as well, and I understand a couple of domestic mutual funds are quite active buyers in Bharat Dynamics. The third stock is Landmark Cars. Been consolidating in a very narrow range in the last few days, but again, there the delivery is marked higher. I understand one of the long-only funds seems to be a large seller. That looks like the selling is going to get over very soon, so that's something to track in Landmark Cars. And the last one is Coforge. In a good market, that stock is under pressure today. As I said, there is small market at close, so Coforge stands out in terms of selling pressure. There is MOC sell flow at a leading FI desk in Coforge, and hence that stock is under pressure today.
Okay, all right, Nimesh, thanks very much for that. So those are individual names which Nimesh is picking up some amount of news flow around.